The federal cabinet approved the appointment of Mohsin Butt as DG FIA in place of Roy Tahir within 3 months. Mohsin Butt is an officer of police service grade 22.
The government has decided to withdraw the review appeal filed against Justice Qazi Faiz Isa during Imran Khan's regime.
The Balochistan government has decided to set up a judicial commission to investigate the deaths in Ziraat operation.
Punjab Chief Minister Chaudhry Pervaiz Elahi reached Imran Khan's residence Bani Ghala in Islamabad. Imran Khan congratulated him on his great victory in Punjab. In the meeting, the name of Tehreek-e-Insaf member Sabateh Khan was approved for the Speaker Punjab Assembly.
The dollar rose by rupees 5.56 to hit a new all-time high of rupees 238.48 in the interbank market.
The federal government has decided to legislate on the powers of the Supreme Court. A federal cabinet meeting was held, under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif. The cabinet decided to legislate on the Supreme Court's suo motu notice, and the powers of the Chief Justice to constitute benches. Interior Minister Rana Sanaullah said that a parliamentary committee will be formed on judicial reforms.
People associated with the Pakistan showbiz industry are expressing their happiness on the election of Parvez Ilahi as the Chief Minister of Punjab.
The Home Minister Rana Sanaullah has said that he has started work on the summary of Governor's rule in Punjab.